Hi everyone, Amber Canoy here with Moms Every Day over with Wes King at King's Garden. Ornamental grasses, these are great if you're trying to maybe hide something in your landscape that's not so pretty.
Absolutely, we use them for screening all the time. Again, they're not truly evergreens, but you can keep that foliage up all the way through. I don't cut mine back until March, so if you're hiding electrical boxes, utility boxes, they work really well for that just because they get some height on them, but really great texture out there in the garden.
What about the reseeding?
So these are several sterile varieties out there now, so a lot of people are concerned about them becoming invasive in the landscape. Our selections have sterile varieties, so you don't have to worry about them spreading as bad.
And there's a lot of different colors too.
Colors and height, so I get some that stay 2 feet, all it gets 6, 7 feet tall. So you can use them not only for screening, but in fronts for perennial borders and a little bit of texture at the front of a bed.
Of course, if you have questions, you can stop by here or give them a call.